Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Boulevardier. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Well, let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here, bullet, Campari, Sweet Vermouth, and an orange. 4 items. It's still time. Let's go grab ice in a mixer glass, a rocks glass, a strainer, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a knife. First step, let's prep our garnish. Set the orange peel aside. Grab your sweet vermouth. Pour 1 ounce of sweet vermouth into the mixer. Now grab your Campari. Pour 1 ounce of Campari into the mixer. It's bourbon time. Pour 1 ounce of bourbon into the mixer. Take your bar spoon and stir the drink. Add ice into your glass. Pour your drink. The last step is to grab your orange peel and squeeze the zest and drop the peel in the drink. And there you go, my friends, the Boulevardier. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.